Welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be talking about how we had a brand that was offering a giveaway in their pop-up and nobody was purchasing. The pop-up was doing okay, but nobody wanted to buy. I'm going to talk about why it happened, okay, or what was broken, why it was happening, and how we fixed it. And I'm going to run you guys through it because I know there's lots of brands out there, even some of the brands we work with, like this person, for example, who doesn't want to do a giveaway. Okay, the AOV, the average order value is probably like $1,000 plus. You don't want to give 10%, you don't even want to give 5. So you want to do a giveaway. It's really good for saving margins. It's good for kind of driving traction. But what you don't want is people who just join your list and wait and wait and wait and wait and never buy. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to try and keep this quick, at least not like 15 minutes like before, like my last videos. Okay, so what's broken? Standard giveaway pop-up collects emails from anyone. Here's a gift on us, generic picture, give us your email. Super simple. Okay, there's no purchase required to enter. That's important. Let's remember that one. And the list fills up of people who just want free stuff. These are not the people you want to attract. Now, I will say your product matters here. The examples I'm going to show you are from a bed and mattress brand. Okay, and I like to think that anybody online searching for a bed or a mattress, that already shows quite good intent. You're never just browsing beds and mattresses. You know, when you look for a bed and mattress online, you're very likely in the market and actually looking to purchase. So this is a little bit different in this case, but still, you don't want your list filling up with people who want free stuff, okay? Nobody buys, and your welcome flow conversion rate tanks because you're filling it up with people, which looks great on the outside, but they're just going through the whole sequence and not purchasing, which leaves you looking like this little guy here, not very happy. And then this is you, confused. Okay, the pop-up's working. Why is no one buying? Why is the conversion rate so crap on my welcome flow? And it leaves you looking at the welcome flow. How can I make a better design? How can I do this? How can I, you're looking in the wrong place. The offer, yes, primarily about getting conversions from the pop-up, but the offer is really important. It's going to kind of dictate whether someone buys or not. So in order to not look like this, bear with me, I will explain the solution. But next, I'm going to speak about why it's kind of happening. Okay, so the incentive attracts the wrong person entirely, like I've been saying throughout this video so far. Someone signs up for a chance to win something free, has zero purchase intent. That could be argued, but to be honest, if I'm signing up for a giveaway, and even if I have purchase intent, if it's a pretty expensive product, I might just hold off, which you don't really want to incentivize. Okay, you've essentially paid in list quality for a vanity metric, that metric being your pop-up conversion rate being really good. Okay, here is the solution, the important part of the video. Okay, so in order to fix this, this is how we literally fix this for a brand. Giveaway pop-up collects the email up front. Okay, instead of asking for the email firstly straight away, you always have them click some type of button first to make some micro commitment. Okay, the offer is like front and center. This is going to get you more conversion rates. Win €1,000. Every month we give one customer €1,000. Enter in 10 seconds. Click to enter the draw. Key here is we give one customer €1,000. Okay, more on that in a second. This is the first welcome email that they're greeted with straight away. We've gone with a plain text email because we've tested it and it works the best. Welcome to brand, your ultimate destination for storage beds. You're automatically entered to win €1,000 back on your first order with us in our monthly competition. The winner is announced at the end of every month. So you've already mentioned you can get €1,000 back, okay, off your order. You have to order. Second line beneath, order in the next 24 hours to double your entry. So you're now reinforcing that they have to order to enter, but then you're able to leverage that to actually create urgency and put more pressure on them to make the order. It's like a double win. It's massive, okay? Then the rest of the email is quite standard. Premium storage beds, it gives the price breakdown, and a lot of this brand's revenue comes through like Home or Klarna, these payment methods, which are super interesting. So it actually works out at €41 a month for a brand new storage bed, okay? Deliver when suits you, speaking about delivery, so on and so forth. Shop storage bed, sleep well, PS, €41 is less than most gym memberships, okay? This welcome email prints for this brand. The offer is super clear, it's a giveaway, you want to enter, but then it's made very clear initially that you have to enter, and enter quickly to get a double entry. Okay, important. Giveaway runs at the end of every month. It has to be communicated clearly. Added urgency layer. Purchase within 24 hours, you get a double entry. Now the giveaway is a purchase driver, not just a list builder. Okay, so the outcome. List quality stays high because subscribers know a purchase is required. Urgency of double entry drives faster first purchases. Giveaway pays for itself. Through the purchases it generates, welcome flow conversion improves because the people entering actually intend to buy. Okay, key takeaways from this video. A giveaway that doesn't require a purchase is just killing your list, okay? People are just gonna sit there and wait. You would be unbelievably amazed at how long someone will wait for something for free. The price size does matter, okay? €1,000 is very compelling, and that's enough to move the needle. That's enough to compel somebody who maybe usually wouldn't even fill out a form for their email to be like, you know what, €1,000 is a lot of money, I'm gonna do it. Tie the double entry to a 24-hour window to create real urgency. Now, this is about a mattress, so I'm not going to say, oh, order in the next hour and you get a double entry. It's too quick. People do need to take time when they're making a purchase like this. 24 hours was good. Your welcome flow should make the purchase to enter mechanic crystal clear from email 1. If done right, a giveaway pop-up can outperform a standard discount pop-up without touching your margins. So this is obviously massive for the brand. Like, it's a €1,000 giveaway. It's gonna be in store credit, okay? They're gonna make more profit off of the giveaway when the person comes back and uses the money because they've made so much more revenue. If they were to give 200 purchasers 10% off of €1,000 AOV, it's just not good for the brand. So that's the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you took value from it. It's a quick one, but a very good and important one if you're a high AOV brand. Let me know if you're going to use this for your brand in the comments below. Leave a like. I really appreciate you watching. The next video I'm going to speak about post-purchase welcome flow. If you've never even heard about that or you don't know what it is, I thought post-purchase flow and the welcome flow were different. There's a special post-purchase welcome flow where you can join the two, and there's a very specific reason why you do it. So watch the next video and I'm going to break that down for you. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.